Hello, my name is Viyat Mehta and I am going to talk through various seatbelt enhancements in Primer 20.
For those who aren't aware, Primer already supports fully fabric seatbelt over most of the seatbelt route, including through both of the slip rings. There is also an advanced checkbox in Define Path menu, which gives us triad of drag handles at each point and many other controls. In version 20, we have added new capability in Seatbelt tool, including automatic creation of stiffener beams for additional local belt stiffness. Let's look at each one in a bit more detail.
During impact, the lap section experiences high lateral compressive forces, which will curl up the belt unrealistically. Adding bending stiffness with form equal to -14 in matte fabric helps reduce a bit, but we still get lateral buckling, which looks unrealistic. We now have local belt stiffness option in seatbelt tool. When used, primer will automatically create number of beam elements along the belt path between two base path points. You can access it from Fit, Define Path, tick Advanced. Right click on any base path point. Under belt stiffness, give part ID to be used for creating beam elements. Let's add beam part ID for next base path point as well to cover whole lap section. For demonstration purpose, we won't do full fitting of the belt as it might take some time. Now let's generate the belt. As you can see, it has created 1260 beam elements using given part ID. I've run this model with proper belt fit in LS-DYNA and this is the result it has produced. You can see improved belt shape now.
You can now write pathpoint CSV as well from Define Path menu. Prior to version 20, you have to create belt definition first before changing current include layer. Now you can set current include layer when defining seat belt itself. You can now explicitly set retractor ID from JavaScript API using setMesh function. You can also now get and set number of elements inside retractor using new retractor property called NSPI.
In version 20, we have changed the behavior of red twist handle such that any red vector can be modified independently without affecting red vector at nearby path points. As you can see in these two videos, highlighted red handle is not getting affected when changing previous red handle. After initial full belt fitting, to freeze a belt segment in particular shape or to reduce time consumed for full belt fitting, you may just want to fit a single segment. We have added this functionality in version 20. Let's say in this case you want to fit segment 3 only. Then you can select only here and select third segment and then press fit. As you can see, it will fit third segment only. We will continue to add new seatbelt enhancement in future. Please do not hesitate to get in touch for more information. Thank you for watching. We look forward to hear your feedback.